Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bukomi. In this video, we're taking a quick look at how to list your jewelry and whatever product it is you want to list from Shineon to your Etsy store. Okay, so let's get right into it. So this is Shineon. You should have a Shineon account before you can use it to create products and list to your Etsy store, obviously. If you don't have a Shineon account, I'll leave a link in the description below. So this is my Shineon account, and you can see all the products that Shineon has for you to be able to sell. You have necklaces, home decor, and all of this great stuff here. So if you want to list anything from here to your Etsy store, make sure you already have Shineon listed as your production partner. Okay, so I have this product already created on my Etsy store. These are unlisted, so they're in the draft. As you can see here, they're in the draft and they're not listed currently. They're not for sale right now. Okay, so what you need to first of all do while you're setting up your Etsy store is to make sure that you have Shineon listed as your production partner, because that is the only way Etsy you would be okay listing Shineon product on Etsy. Okay, so what you need to do is to come to, let's take a look at necklaces if you wanted to sell any of this. So I'm just gonna, let's take a look at this multi-vertical name charm necklace. So what you can do to get started with the message card is to use what Shineon has given you, and that's if you come to product here, you would click on this, you would see Shineon Creative. That would open that in another tab, and you can come here to pre-made designs, and here we'll go to message cards. If you scroll down message card here, you would see multi-name vertical necklace. Whatever design you're trying to create, you would find a design for it here, or something to inspire your own creation. So I'm just going to click on multi-name vertical necklace just to get inspiration and see if I can just download from here and use on my design. So this is that's the same thing as what we're trying to create here. Let's see. Yep, that'll be this one. So yeah, so this is the design. Let me get this out of the way and find a design that I want to download. So these are designs that you can actually download to your phone and then use to make your own design. So if I wanted to, let's see, Mom, your presence is a gentle breeze that brings peace. Okay, let's just go with this for illustration purposes. I like to come down here to see the details and to be sure that it's in PNG. Okay, so I'm able to download that. Okay, so I have that downloaded. I will come back here. So I'm going to upload the image here. So this is the image, and as you can see here, the image is already here behind the jewelry. Okay, so all you need to do next is just give it a title: multi-name charm for Mother's Day, or something, whatever catches your fancy, or whatever it is you want to put there, just put that there. Okay, and you already have the description done for you. Okay, what I'll do next is to pick my shipping template. So that would be free delivery. That's what I have set up for Shineon in my store. Then you come here and put in whatever price it is you want to sell it. So the base costs for one name and the standard box, I'll show you that. So this is the standard box. Let me click on it and see if I'm able to. Okay, so I'm not able to click on that. This is the standard box. This is the wooden box. That's like the premium one. Okay, so for the standard box, this is the base price, and this is how much Shineon is suggesting that you sell it for, and this would be your profit. Okay, so that's what this is for. These are all the variants that are available. You have 4 names, 3 names, 2 names, 1 names, and that is it. I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to leave it as is and just go with Shineon's recommendation. Okay, now I can publish. So that will go into queue, and it's just going to take a little time to get published into my Etsy drafts. Okay, so I'll come back when this is done. So as you can see, it's already published. You would know that by when it has this Etsy logo, that's the E here. What it means is it's already in my store. So I'm just going to go to my Etsy store now, just refresh my draft and see if it's there. So here is what we just published now. Okay, so I'm just going to edit this and just make it my own. For some reason I like to use the old version of the Etsy interface. I prefer that to the new one. So yeah, but that's my preference. So yeah, so these are the images already imported in for you. You already have the title just like you put in there. What you need to do is come in here and just change it to another company did it, and this is a finished product and it is made to order. Now because you did that, you would have to indicate who this production partner is. The category is already picked for you, jewelry, and all I'll just do is come down here to, can it be personalized? Yes, it can if you want to, but you can just leave it as is. So you can add another layer by further personalizing it for people where you had their names. If you want to know how to do that in Shineon, leave me a comment in the comment section letting me know you'd like to know how to personalize the jewelry card further, and I'll make another video on that. Okay, so this is a physical product and Shineon already imported all of this good stuff for you, so you're good to go. Now, well, here you have to indicate a production partner. I mentioned earlier, if you haven't set up your production partner, you can still add it here, add the production partner, but I have Shineon already set up here. So what I do, I just click on Shineon and I'm good to go, and I can put whatever tag it is I want to put. Let me put some here. Let me say gift for her and gifts for mom, gifts for twin mom. Just put whatever it is you know that your customers will be searching for. Put that there. You are allowed to put up to 13 tags, so you have lots of tags to use here. And I already imported this for me with the suggested retail price, so I'm just going to leave it as is because I like what they suggested for me. I'm not going to change anything here. It would help you list faster if you just go with the recommendation. I mean, you can go back into your store and maybe run sales, and just to get people to your store, you can run sales just to slash the price a little bit. But for you to be able to list faster, I'd advise you just go with whatever they suggest and just get your listing out there. Okay, so that is that. If you want to link more pictures, you just come here to link photos and just link them here, but I won't do that here. So I want this listing to go out quickly. So this is already automatically turned on for me because it's going to be personalized, because they have to put their names on the jewelry, so they have to put that here. But I mean, this is already pre-filled for you. You can change it to whatever you want. So the instruction here is to say this is the font, this is the amount of text, then they need to put in the first name, the second name, the third name, and the fourth name. It can't exceed 10 characters and all of that. So this is what it would look like, and this is where they would fill the stuffing. Okay, already done for you. So because I already picked my free delivery option, this is already here. And that is how fast and quickly you actually can list your products from Shineon to Etsy. So this is already in draft. I'm just going to publish it right now. Okay, so I could save it back to draft if I'm not ready, but let me just show you how to publish and get it up and running on Etsy. So my listing is live, and this is it in a new tab, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So this is all the pictures and images that were already imported for you. If you want to change it, or maybe just make it your own, or add some fancy text or whatever, you can download the images and edit it in Canva and just do whatever. But I mean, this is good as is. So this is the name. These are the styles that people can select from and to make purchase in. So this is the description. Handmade, it's made to order. This is the description here, and that is it. So this is the duration I already set for free delivery for my store. So just make sure that you follow Shineon's delivery processing. That's the production time and delivery timeline for every country. Make sure you follow that so that you'd be able to meet your customers' expectations. So that is how you do that, guys. That's how you upload your products to Etsy from Shineon. Okay, there are loads of products in Shineon here that you can create and in one click upload it to your Etsy store and have it live. So if you're looking to start an Etsy business and you don't know which one to go with, I suggest you go on with the jewelry business and use Shineon. Now if you're looking for Shineon alternatives, I have a video. I'm going to leave that on the screen now. In that video, I showed you 4 different suppliers you can use to deliver and fulfill your orders on Etsy, selling jewelry and other nice stuff. So if that interests you, make sure you click that video now and go watch it. Remember, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, and please turn on the bell notification just beside it so you know when I drop another video. Thank you for staying with me to the end of another one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.